I was having an open conversation with my inner selves and other living spirits, and this is true when it comes to a lot of emphasis that you have probably noticed or observed. The emphasis that I placed on being on fire to learn, and the way that you can naturally observe that and thus experience the result of that has to do with what we call stagnant water. Okay, so we know what stagnant water is, right? And how that relates to dead water worlds. Stagnant water. Okay? So when you're naturally on fire to learn, you're naturally learning more about what's possible to experience in the future of something that we created or thus manifested that is different. There's not a prior record of that. Because the experience itself, which is a creative experience, has never been experienced before by another spirit, which means you just generated a brand new file in the permanent record. Because water does not like to be stagnant, or if you will, the still point, standing still. Remember, I'm standing right there at the center point, right, of the silver and gold ruche, the crystal wave. I never left home. So when I lit myself on fire, I realized, well, that's just another circle of fire. I just completed another circle, which is another breath of Cameloti. A transharmonic, a unity wave. And so I was communicating with Mama about spirits naturally are on fire to learn more about who we are as future potentials, future potential memories, by virtue of the speed at which we're learning, which is the speed at which we're manifesting something brand new as an experience. Because the experience is experiential learning, which is the completion of a circuit to maintain circulation, the structural, spiritual, mathematical integrity of circulation. The circulation speed between fire and ice to maintain an equilibrium state of mind, to experience being one with all creation. And that means that one is not trying to dominate another cell. Instead, every cell is experiencing breathing with the first cell, the silver and gold mated cell, otherwise known as the God seed, the first eternal wave. So you see how that works in rivers, creek beds, brooks, the ocean, the echoes of rain, fire vapor, ether, the speed at which change is taking place. But we're not taking anything. We're gifting at the highest rate of speed. The electrical speed, kicking out sparks, the sparks of communication. Ignite the fire, the base platform, base 12, the unici, the unity wave, the crystal wave signal, a coherent signal. So the signal is getting through, which is the repair signal getting through, as in throughput, as in input, the inflow of a clear wave, a crystal clear, as in clarity, the clarion, the sound wave, the electrified sound wave joined as one, as Kundare, Amorea, Aya,